If a friend fails, it hurts. When a friend succeeds, sometimes it hurts even more. This happens when we start treating life like a race and compare ourselves to others. Imagine a cat wishing it were tall and strong like a dog. It would worry its whole life, not seeing that dogs often guard and play with young people, while cats comfort and calm people of all ages. Both have their place. These thoughts make us sad and hopeless. They steal our ability to grow and keep us stuck, instead of letting us enjoy the little things we already have. We only live once, so let's live with a peaceful mind. Today's story will help you accept who you are and enjoy life more. You'll also learn some new English words. Stay tuned. The story is about a girl named Jo who lived in New Jersey. Jo often felt uneasy because her mind was not at peace. At school, she studied very hard, but some friends who studied less still got better grades than her. In sports class, she played futsal. She never made the school team, but her friends did. When she visited friends' big, beautiful houses with expensive cars, she felt sad because her house was small and her family car was simple. All this made her feel hopeless. She started to think she would never catch up. One day, Jo was waiting for the bus outside school. An older professor, Uncle James, walked by. He saw her long face and asked, "Why so sad?" Jo said, "My mind is never at peace. I feel I have achieved nothing and maybe I never will. The future feels hopeless and painful." Uncle James replied, "You have two choices. Keep fighting your thoughts, or come with me to see something that might change how you think." Jo decided to follow him. First, Professor James took Jo to a pet shop. He showed her a cat and a dog and said, "If the cat keeps thinking I am short, I want to be tall and strong like the dog. It will worry all its life and miss what makes it special. Dogs are great for guarding or running with young people. Cats are gentle for therapy and make calm companions for both younger and older people. Different strengths, different roles. Both are loved." Then he took Jo to a small park with many trees. He pointed to two trees, one mango tree and one apple tree. "If the apple tree wants to be as tall as the mango tree, it may never happen," he said. "If the mango tree wants round fruit like apples, that may not happen either. Each tree has its own season. Some people love mangoes, some love apples, and many love both. If both trees accept how nature made them, they grow in peace and give good fruit. People will enjoy the fruit no matter what the trees think. The world keeps moving whether we worry or not. When we calm our minds, the same world looks kinder and more beautiful. The stress is not in the air, it's in our thoughts." They sat on a bench. Uncle James said, "Everyone cannot have the same strengths and weaknesses. The earth works because people are different. Accept who you are, and your mind will slowly become calm." Jo went home with a softer heart. After that day, she stopped comparing herself to others. She focused on her own study plan and stopped checking her friends' grades. She knew her grades were good enough to reach a good university later, so comparing was not worth it. In time, Jo graduated, entered a good university, and later earned a high-paying job. She kept working hard and kept improving her life with a calm and happy mind. She still met people who had more and people who had less, She wished them well and stayed in her lane. Whenever old thoughts returned, she remembered the cat and the dog, the mango tree and the apple tree, and Uncle James's words,